Hey Mary, how did you go from paintbloomsusa the last 3 days live contact in the online program with Jacqueline Coates?
It was wonderful. It was fast and furious, but I learned so much in a short period of time. And this is my end result.
So good.
I am stoked. I can't believe I did this.
And what did you like about the 3 days? How did it work for you? What were your expectations and what was the reality? That'd be an interesting question.
My expectations was to learn whatever you were teaching us and make that available and get it in my brain. And reality is, it worked.
And were there any surprises? Was there anything different from your expectations?
Well, we had 3 little Mexican gals from Mexico and interpretation going on all at the same time. And that was wonderful. They're beautiful girls. I met women from all over the United States, and it was just super fun.
And it's safe to say you've made some friends online in the program, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Who you're definitely going to catch up with. So
Yes.
yeah, it's nice to meet other people at this stage of life, refresh your contacts and find like-minded others.
Yes.
You've been awesome, been so much fun. I can thoroughly recommend you.
Thank you, Jackie.
And so great, wonderful to see, and looking forward to seeing what you do next. Had you painted before?
Just watercolor, barely, beginning, and
Wow.
I could sketch, but that was about it.
So I think there was a point where you actually were shocked at what you were getting.
Yes. Needless to say, yes. Very shocked.
In a good way.
In a good way.
And thanks for giving me so
Lots
much.
of wine helped.
In the evenings after work.
Yes, in the evenings.
We had a hard-working bunch. It was great. And I'd like to thank you personally for all the fantastic stories that you gave me about life in the States. I really loved it. I've learned so much. And I'll see you again soon, no doubt.
Thank you so much, Jackie.